Okay, we wanted to make this ignition system as strong as possible on this car. We've already upgraded most of the components, so we're going to go ahead and top it off here from our friends over at Holly Performance. We're going to be installing their digital 6AL ignition box. Of course, this is in the black finish, therefore going with our theme in black and red, along with their coil adapter, adapting this to any small block forward style coil, making the installation super simple. And of course, we don't have to worry about any ignition cut or spark blowout running these components. This we can literally mount like right back under it. Next, we're installing the Mr. Freeze water methanol injection system. So this right here. We're going to mount this in where the charcoal canister was, in along the frame rail. So I'll show you guys how we're going to get that installed real quick.
Cut that out. There you go. There you go.
Yay. Add this to the pile of stuff to file away, which means trash.
Centers in here. We'll go from here to here. Yep. All right. Cool.
Yeah.
Let me get that through. Set that on top. There we go.
Nice. Mr. Freeze is mounted. Right now we're teeing off to the vacuum line that goes to the fuel pressure regulator, because the Mr. Freeze system needs to see both vacuum and boost, because boost is how it's actuated. Alright, vacuum hose is done, so now we're gonna take this hose and figure out. Ooh, jet, almost lost the jet. Run this under. Figure out how long we need to cut it. Okay, see it? Does it tie all these together? I'll run this back over here.
Does it have to be directly in front of it?
It has to be, yeah, like facing towards the impeller. Yeah. Perfect. Cool. Alright, I'll zip tie her out of the way. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start wrapping things up in the engine bay. Decided to go ahead and swap out the electric fans on this car. This had just a single electric fan, and I just know it's not going to cut it for the added horsepower we're going to have, so I'm going to swap it out with a set of dual contour fans. I'm going to go ahead and utilize the controller that's already in it for one fan, and then I'm going to use the Terminator X to control the other fan. So I'm going to go ahead and get that installed real quick, and then we'll move on. The key is trying to get into your slots.
Fucker's sharp.
Mm-hmm. I know. Can you find the slots? Green bright slot. Oh, I think you did. I think you found your slots.
Oh, that's why there's one piece right there. There.
Cool. Some of it I might.
Didn't have that one. And there we go. Like a holly end. Did you run this underneath?
There we go. Yeah, these are pretty fouled. Yeah, these are pretty fouled, but it's got a good startup tune in it now, so that way we can get past this. Move on. We're going to put a clean set of plugs in it. I'm running NGK BKR 6Es, one step colder. Should be good for boost. Gap them to about 32 thousandths. Alright, let's get rid of all these nasty plugs and put in the new stuff. Well, the moral to that story is that be flexible and adaptable with your budget, because I wasn't planning on upgrading the fans, but it was the opportune time to go ahead and do so. So I know we want to do all go fast parts and all that fun stuff, but just taking care of that stuff now would just make a whole world of difference later. So now we got to focus on putting some new shoes on this car. All right, we're nearing the finish line for Project Everyman. And to really top it off, I wanted to get a set of wheels and tires for this car that kind of matched the attitude that I was going for. LMR stepped in with a set of their SVE Drag Comp wheels, which is a beautiful black finish with a polished lip. Got a set of 17 by 4.5s for the front to clear the Cobra brakes that I have, and a set of 15 by 10s for the rear. Of course, we're going to wrap these in Mickey Thompson rubber, so it should be a nice aggressive look for a pretty aggressive car. Okay. Oh, okay.
It was like, mount me! Mount me! I was like, we can always adjust.
Yeah.
never mind. This is what I like about this machine right here. Just too fancy. Wait, what? This is your car, yeah.
Heck yeah.
She's zesty. I'm not a smart man. I did forget lug nuts.